what is a term? A term is a constant, a variable, a product, or a quotient, separated by addition or subtraction signs. Do notice, this is probably the biggest thing that will help you out for being able to add, subtract, multiply, and divide in the right order. Being able to notice which are your terms. So once again, they're separated by addition or subtraction signs, okay? Some examples are, we have 4x is one example. Negative 7 is another example of a term. Y is also an example of a term. Negative 5 times x times y is also an example of a term. And also quotients or divisions, such as 3 times x divided by 7 is another example of a term. Okay, how many terms do we have in 3x plus 9 minus 4y plus 32? So remember, they're separated by addition and subtraction signs. Agreed? So let's say we have 3x, 9, 4y, and do remember that it's a negative because it belongs to the 4, and 32. Do notice, the very first term, the 3x, it does not have a sign technically to begin with. But since it's at the beginning of our expression, we can always put a positive sign. So it's a positive 3x. If it was a negative, we would have to show a negative on there. Once again, notice that we have a positive on the 3x, positive on the 9, a negative on that 4y, so that 4y is a negative term, and a positive on the 32. So how many terms does that make it? So let's see, first term, second term, third term, and fourth term. So there are 4 terms overall that we have in our expression.